What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got some exciting news today. Not only did we hit 1,000 subscribers a few days ago, the name of the channel after this video, starting with this video moving forward, is now going to be Southern Jeep and 4x4. It's my new company I started. Super excited about it. I decided to start it basically from all the support, and we got work coming in and everything like that. So I figured now would be the time to do so. So when you go over to southernjeepand4x4.com, there's going to be a parts tab and services tab. So on the services tab, I'm going to have a list of the services that I can provide for you. Whether it's rebuilding a carburetor, rebuilding an engine, transmission, transfer case, anything like that, you can send me your old component that needs to be rebuilt, and I can give you a quote on what it'll take to rebuild it, fix it up, send it back to you. As far as carburetors go, I can rebuild the WO and YFs. I got the MB here to test the WO. I'll tune it for you, get it all good, and then also a YF. So also there's going to be some transmissions up for sale. I got a few spare transmissions that I'm going to rebuild. They're going to be refurbished transmissions, also some transfer cases, and there's going to be a lot of new parts on there as well. So I'm going to carry an entirely new line of Jeep parts. There's going to be brake stuff, steering stuff, engine components, transmission, transfer case, carburetor rebuild kits. I mean, pretty much anything you can think of mechanically for the Jeeps, I'll have either new or used. Right now it's just going to be the pre-1971 Willys Jeeps. If you need something newer than 71 and up, for like your AMC CJs, YJs, TJs, whatever, send me an email. My email's on the website, and tell me what you need, and I can give you a price and availability on it. And also I'm going to have some deuce and a half parts. So when you go to the parts tab, right now there's going to be 1941 through 1971 Willys, and then there's going to be M35A2 parts. I'm going to have a refurbished transmission up on there, a refurbished transfer case, and then some odds and ends like windshield hinges, latches, pair of LED headlights, and also if there's something specific you need for a deuce and a half or M35 series truck, drop me a line. I can get you a price and availability on those as well. They're only going to be used parts, but they're going to be good used parts. Been doing it about a year, and here on YouTube and Instagram, social media, but I've been working on these Jeeps for half of my life. So I'd say I'm pretty good with them. As time moves forward, I'm going to put up technical articles on the website, going over pretty much kind of like lectures on the different components. Like I'll do a quick thing on the F-head engine versus the L-head, and the different transmissions offered, and the carburetors, stuff like that. And if there's any questions that you might have, the email's there, and then the chat option. If it takes me half a day to respond to an email, just be patient, because I'm still trying to work out the kinks with everything. So same thing goes with shipping. I'm going to keep these parts in stock. There's going to be some parts that are more expensive and less common, say like, I don't know, spider gears for the differential. They'll be on the website, but it's going to be a special order. I can have it, in the continental United States probably in a week or so. But most of the other stuff I'm going to have in stock and ship that out within a day or two. We're located in Florida, so, relative to where everybody's at in the country, on shipping times and whatnot. So, all right, well, I appreciate everybody's support. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Southern Jeep and 4x4. I'm on TikTok at Southern Jeep and 4x4. I normally post some little quick snippets of stuff on there, and also on the website. So I appreciate it, everybody. Have a good one.